Hi, hello, welcome to Letham Trading. Now we are going to see Nifty end of the day analysis of 20th December and the trade setup for tomorrow. Okay, the first thing what we observe is the CPR relationship. The CPR is an overlapping CPR. See, people are asking me when I am trading against the CPR relationship and when I am not trading again, according to the CPR. See, mostly CPR is to decide the trend of the market. When the CPR is wide, the market will be sideways or slow movement, or if the CPR is narrow, it will be trendy or zigzag. It is all about the CPR, but the relationship doesn't mean like if CPR is in uptrend, you should definitely take a call position only. It all depends on the Camarilla levels. We will always take a entry at Camarilla levels, right? The CPR is only to decide the trend of the market, nothing more than that. But we will always take most of the time at Camarilla points only. So based on that, if you see this, see, the CPR relationship is an overlapping CPR. You may feel like this is uptrend CPR only. It doesn't mean you should take a call position only. There is a chance the market we may take a put position also based on the formation of candles at the Camarilla points. Okay. Also, we'll try to take a trade between 9 to 11 o'clock in the morning. That is, if the market in the first 5 minutes or before the 10 o'clock, we'll decide the market condition and we'll take an entry. If at all we miss a trade to take in the early of the morning, then we don't take in the middle of 10 to 11 o'clock. The market will be very slow in between this 10 to 11 o'clock. So 10:30 to 11 or 11:30. So mostly after 11 o'clock, from 11 to 12, there is a chance to take another trade in between that point. But if you are okay with the first trade, that is enough in a day. Single trade in a day is enough. If you miss the trade, then you can go for the trade after 11 o'clock. You don't take trade just because you missed the first trade. If you jump into the trade, then definitely you will hit your stop loss. See, if at all you see this bearishness, and if you enter just here at this point, your target will not be very much. So always remember, see, the CPR is very wide, so mostly the market will be a slow movement or sideways movement. So here if you see this today's graph, the market is sideways movement. See, also observe the first 5 minutes candle. The first 5 minutes candle is a bearish candle, and we don't have a price action with the first 5 minutes candle because it is slightly taking support at L4. See, most of the time if the market opens at L4, if it takes a support and it forms a green candle, then will never be biased about the market. At this point, if it forms a green candle, we'll definitely go for call position only. This second candle is the deciding candle today. So because the first 5 minutes candle is not giving me the price action, so if at all this is a supporting candle, and then definitely you can go for a call position, then the market will form a shooting star. But what happened, the second candle clearly breaking the L4, so you definitely can enter here for the put position. If you believe it or not, our Camarilla strategy is giving me more edge than the traders who are trading with no Camarilla point. See, most of the traders are waiting for this consolidation. After this consolidation, most of the traders are trying to take, and some of the traders, just because of missing this entry, they have entered here at this point. But with our Camarilla points, just imagine how quickly your target is hitting. It is all because of the major point. See, mostly the L4 and H4 are the deciding factors for our trade in a day. So after this breaking L4, definitely you should not even think about call position here at this point. It will decide here in that second candle only. So here if you take a put position, it was almost 70 points movement in options itself, and what does it indicate? The volatility is more and your target hitting is very your target will get very easily. See, if you just exit here at this point, the target will be of almost 50 points in options. So okay, if you have missed this trade, what should we do? See, just because you missed the first trade, we know that the market will definitely turn into the upside, because it cannot be a trendy day, right? Because the first thing is CPR is wide. So mostly when the CPR is wide, there is no chance of market for uptrend movement. So where you should take an entry, that is a call entry if you missed this first entry. See, at at L5, if you take a trade here at this point, just because of seeing this green candle, your stop loss will definitely get hit. So this is a repeated pattern. Everything will come to you when you trade every day. See, your experience is your guide. If you have a trade here at this point, definitely your stop loss will get hit. So what should we do? Since it is a very good moment in the first go, you should wait for at least 1 hour for a clear price action. That is, just because of candles you should not take a trade. You should at least wait for some time for a clear price action. That is, let the market to settle. That is, to take a rest for for at least 1 hour. After that you can go for the next trade. That is here. Yes, you can enter here at this point. It has clearly took support at 18,200, and also it has clearly formed a bullish candle. The confirmation for this taking a call position is the IT sector. The IT sector has clearly moved to the upside. It has early indication about the call position. So the market may not, see, it is just like pretending you that the market is going to fall some more. See, by seeing these red candles, you may feel like the market is going to fall. But since the CPR is wide, it cannot be very easy to just fall like a trendy day. So after these candles, just you can enter here at this point. But if you are not sure about the trade, you can enter here after this 20 EMA crossing. So you can enter a call position when you are entering the trade after this 1.5 hour consolidation. That is the best thing you should get with your discipline, because waiting for 1.5 hour is the main point. How it comes to you, because see, we'll take in the morning. If you miss to take the first thing, then you should definitely wait for the next trade after 11 o'clock only. See, if you just entered here at this point, your target will be up to L4 or top CPR. There are two type of trades today. Taking one trade is enough. If you are okay with the first trade, just avoid taking a trade if you are not a full-time trader. Okay, we'll move on to the next day, that is 21st December. The CPR is in downtrend. Since the CPR is in downtrend, does not mean that we are going to take a put position only. See, our trade entry is exactly at Camarillo points. When you take an entry at Camarillo points, your stop loss will be very, very, very small. So that is the main thing you should observe. See, when the market opens near to L4, see, most of the time when the market opens near to L4, we'll try to make it support. See, if it is taking a support, definitely we'll go for a call position and our target will be up to this 18,400. Why not up to H3? Because in uptrend, see, completely bear market is different from bull market. When the market is in a bear position, targets will be very easy. But when the market is going in the uptrend direction, see, breaking this CPR, mostly bulls will get tired after breaking the CPR. So the market will not get a good moment. So target reaching to the heights like H3 or H4 is not so easy. So better to exit here 18,400 only. What if the market opens at this point? So H3 will act as a great resistance. See, we are taking a trade at Camarillo points only, not at CPR. Most of the time we'll take a trade at Camarillo points only. When we take a trade at CPR, when the Camarillo point is inside the CPR, then if the market is inside the Camarillo points, after breaking this CPR, the market will definitely turn into bearishness, but we don't take an entry at this point. We'll take an entry based on retracement. So you can take a put position here at this point, and our target will be up to L4, but the momentum will be very small, very slow. So see, analyzing today's graph is more important than predicting tomorrow's graph. That is the main thing. Anything can happen tomorrow. That is, we don't know where the market is going to open. So the opening place will decide the whole market. If the market opens here, there is a chance it may go up, it may go down. If it goes up, then there is a rejection. If it comes down, we'll wait for some time for a clear price action. We don't take take an entry just because of coming down. Okay, if the market opens between H3 to H4, I'll suggest you, if the market breaks H4, don't take any trade, just avoid taking a trade. So overall, the market direction is, we never hope for a biased direction. We'll just flow with the market. If the market opens here, call position. If it breaks again like today's graph, then definitely we'll go for put position only. We don't feel, yes, the market will be in our direction only. We should be in the market's direction. Okay, if the market opens between this CPR, then breaking the CPR is very important to the downside. If it breaks the CPR, then only go for a put position, but not exactly after breaking the CPR, but you should go for a retracement. Thank you. I hope this video will help you. Please subscribe to our channel.